in that state of the quietness, if we can extend that period by regular practice, it changes, transforms the mind. Now bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences, bring the hands down. Can Sophie number one open? No, I don't see. It's okay. How are you, Sophie? Number two.
I guess I'm Sophie number 2.
Yes.
um, I had trouble meditating because I've been sick this week, and so it just sort of interferes with everything. So I will have to try again.
Yes, but are you not relaxed a bit?
A bit.
Yes, yes. So, just to say one thing, that is how I understand the nature of the mind. The mind is not able to transcend the challenges that you are facing at the physical level.
Correct.
John, here is $1 million. All your challenges goes out.
Thank you. Accept it.
Do you see that? So the mind is still attached, emotionally dependent on outside. And when you think of having $1 million in your hand, that attachment to the body drops for some time. Maybe you can tell me what you love to have down the road for 5 years. So I will use the same object that makes you. So that is what happens. So once those masters have understood that very nature of the mind, so it says that either it can remain attached, obsessed with the body and the world outside, or it can drop. So our goal is to drop that sense of emotional attachment. How are you, Meet?
There. I I feel very calm and steady. I really need to be steady in my life right now.
Very
I
good.
feel that very much.
Very good. So this is what we should be achieving.
It's a
Sense of
relief.
steadiness is the withdrawal of the mind, but the mind, if it goes outside, again, it goes into the same routine. That needs to be prevented. I'm happy Sophie cannot ask any questions. So that is all for today. Thank you.
What about Sophie?